Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to share your Crunchyroll account. So let's get started. On Crunchyroll we have watchlist, Crunchylist, history, and offline mode. Note that offline mode requires a subscription for access. Alright, so let's proceed to the topic. Go to your account by tapping the account icon in the bottom right corner. Alright, in the membership section, tap on subscription. Alright, next tap on Go Premium. Alright, so basically, to share your Crunchyroll account with other devices, you need to buy a subscription. With the Mega Fan Deal, you can stream on up to 4 devices. The annual Mega Fan Deal also allows streaming on 4 devices. The basic subscription allows streaming on only one device. So, choose the subscription deal you want and start the subscription. So, now you know how to share your Crunchyroll account. Good luck, and that's it.